What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, my name's Chris and I am getting ready to leave to go on my bachelor trip. I am getting married in May. I can't believe it's like we're going on less than 60 days, which is insane. I feel like we haven't done anything, but we hired a wedding planner and it was the greatest thing that me and my fiance have ever done. But that's neither here or there. I'm going on my trip, and on any sort of trip, I like to bring camera gear. So I figured I would show you guys what is in my camera bag for this trip, because I used to be a person who needed to travel with everything. I needed to have film cameras. I needed to have 5, 6 different lenses, and I just was like, oh, I need more gear so I can create more stuff. But as I've traveled more and more, I have realized that less is more, and this is everything that I'm bringing with me. So my main camera that I'm currently shooting on is the Lumix S9, and this is the camera that I'm bringing with me. I've done a couple of videos so far on this camera, and this is absolutely insane. A lot of people like to shit on it, and I don't know why, because it literally does everything. The only thing it doesn't have is a mechanical shutter, so you just have to get over that. And I'm currently recording on the kit lens, the 18-40, which is an amazing lens. But when I'm not using that lens, I am going to use the 40mm f2 from TT Artisan. This lens is so sharp, so crispy, and so small. It's one of the only small lenses that is made for Lumix that is rather cheap. I'm waiting for TT Artisan to come out with a 24mm, because then this camera is really going to shine. But this is going to be a lens that I have rocking on my camera. And this is going to be my everyday setup. When I'm going to get coffee, when I'm going hiking, I'm going to have this camera. It's going to record 99% of my content. And literally, all I should be bringing is this, but I have 2 other cameras that I'm also bringing. This right here is the Canon PowerShot ELPH170IS. This is a little camera. It's, I don't know even when this camera came out, but it's a digi camera, which is just like a fancy term for a point and shoot. There's nothing special about this camera. It's just meant for capturing the in-between things, and I am pretty much going to be carrying this with me everywhere that I go. So whenever I am going to the bars or anything like that where I can't bring my full frame setup, this will be on me. And honestly, this takes really good images. It surprises me. The only thing that this camera doesn't do well is shoot raw. But I think you can find this for like maybe $150 online, maybe 200. I think 200 for this is kind of crazy. I got this for free, and I need to use this thing more because it is perfect for those in-between shots. The only other camera I am bringing is my DJI Action 5. This camera is great. Honestly, this is all that you need if you're traveling. Like, you could bring this and you would be completely set. But the only reason why I'm bringing the Action 5 is for short form content. If I want to make something quick, I'm going to use this, but I'm also going to use this to capture like the action shots, aka it's an action camera, when I'm jumping into the pool, or when I want POV shots, because, where is it at? This little magnet mount lets you mount this anywhere. I do it to mount on my hats. This is also magnetic here, so I can stick this anywhere. And this is a really good camera just when you don't want to travel heavy, like my S9, even though this is a light camera. This is what I'm going to be bringing. And the Action 5 is insane. The Action 6 is out, the Osmo Nano. Those are all 3 action cameras that I would recommend. I honestly kind of want the Osmo Nano because I love the idea of a wireless monitor. So maybe I will get that camera at some point. But this is a sick camera, and I'm gonna vlog on this more this summer. Other things that I have a ND on my lens. Headphones of choice are the Sony, dude, I don't even know what model this is, but I've had these Sony headphones for years. I use them every single day. My camera bag of choice, is the Peter McKinnon bag. Impulse hooked me up, so this is a bag that I use, and it fits everything. Sour Patch Kids for the plane ride. Little mic here in case I don't want to use my wireless mic. I will use this, and I also have the short stash every day. I haven't used this that much. I need to use it more, but I am going to bring this just in case I need it. Other than that, dude, that is everything that I'm bringing on this trip. And it's actually rather light. And this is all that you need. I think a lot of people, like I said, whenever I started traveling, I was like, oh my gosh, I need a 24 to 70, 16 to 35, 70 to 200. And it depends on what type of trip that you're going on too. This is casual. So I'm not really doing anything crazy or professional. I'm just there to capture the moments of my bachelor party. But I used to just think I needed all this gear, and in reality, you don't. 2 lenses, 1 camera, small little cameras for when you want to capture the small things. I mean, it's not that serious. And I think a lot of us just overpack and overpack. I do wish I had room for my film camera, but also, dude, I've had this roll of film in here for ages, maybe like 3 weeks now. It's not that long actually. I've only shot 10 shots, so, and that thing's heavy. That is the video. I'm hyped for this trip. I'm hyped for stepping into this next part of my life. And I'm hyped to just document it and see what I can create. I'm thinking of some sort of cinematic thing. The photos are gonna go crazy. The fits are gonna go hard. I'm hyped to hang out with all my friends, and everything will be linked down below, hopefully. Anyways, that is the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, don't these glasses just make me look? One, they're kind of like those Oakleys, but they make me look like a bug, dude. But they're honestly kind of hard too. These glasses are gonna go so hard in Arizona.